My name's Rylan Peterson. I've been with Leo's for about 6 years. I'm the general manager of the new Kensington location. This is our 4th location in Saskatoon. We're just a local neighborhood pub trying to set up that community feel. We worked with Evolution AV to set up our TV system, so that's the visual effects kind of in the bar. And then we also use them for our audio systems and then our audio control systems. With Leo's, it's constantly adapting to the time of day and the customers you have in the bar at the time. So Evolution AV has just done a really good job of setting us up to prepare for that. So basically we can adjust our sound system's volume, and then we can adjust our music, songs, and just set the tempo and the vibe and keep that going. Displays are something that just keep people coming back in, and that's something that's really important to us. With Leo's, we have a lot of the same regular customer base come back. They're coming back for a variety of reasons, staff, all that sort of stuff as well, but the vibe and what they're seeing on the TVs, on the walls, that sort of stuff, it means a lot to us, so it's nice having Evolution AV to help us out with that stuff. Any of the issues we've had, they've resolved them right away, which has been really good. And then again, just being able to set that tempo and set that vibe in the restaurant's really important. So it's good having you guys here, and then we know that you're local kind of to the area too, so you're willing to help us out whenever we need. The audio and visual systems we have set up in our bar are really important to our customer experience, and working with Evolution AV has been awesome.